Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to reconcile a refund received in Xero. Even if you're a complete beginner or using a demo company, this tutorial will make it super easy. Let's get started. First, go to your Xero dashboard. On the left side, click Accounting, Bank Accounts. Open any bank account where your refund was received, usually called Business Bank Account in the demo company. Inside the bank account, go to the Reconcile tab. Here, you'll see your bank statement 9s. Look for the amount with a green Receive Money button. That means money came into your bank. This is your refund transaction. Before reconciling, ask yourself, was this a refund for a bill you paid? Or was it a refund for an item your customer returned? In most cases, it's a refund from a supplier for a bill you already paid. If the refund is from your supplier, you need a credit note in Xero. If a credit note already exists, go to Business, Bills to Pay, Credit Notes, and verify it. If a credit note doesn't exist, click Plus New, Bill Credit Note, enter supplier name and details, and make the credit note amount match the refund. Now go back to your bank reconciliation screen. Select the refund transaction. Instead of using Receive Money, click Find and Match. A list of unpaid bills and credit notes appears. Check the box next to the credit note you created or already had. The total should match the refund amount. Click Reconcile. If you're just practicing or your demo company doesn't show a credit note option, you can also categorize the refund manually. Click the refund, choose Receive Money, and select an account like Expense Refunds or the same expense account from the original bill. Add a simple description like Refund from Supplier, click OK to reconcile. And that's it. You've successfully reconciled a refund in Xero. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more simple Xero tutorials. See you in the next video.